So I'm fresh out of the shower to bring you a taste test of Google cereal. Believe it or not, Google, when I ordered the Pixel 4, gave me this cereal box. As you can see, it's got some nutritional value, memory, 6 gigabytes, rear camera, 16 megapixels, front camera, 8 megapixels, display up to 90 hertz. It's a great cereal. I thought I would do a taste test and actually see how this tastes. So here's the cereal in question. It looks like we've got some Cheerios, kind of coloured gumdrop type things there. Some Google labels. I mean, it looks like a sugary treat. I'm going to be real. Nutritional value on the bottom. A lot of E numbers. A lot of E numbers. Let's give it a go. Smells like sweet American breakfast. I will say, I wish I could pour it out of the box, but obviously it doesn't technically come out of the box. So this is here for show. Wow, that is colourful. Wow, Google. I was not searching for a nice breakfast, but I found one. Look at that. That is pretty cool. Sweet. One thing I will say is the color of the milk is very concerning. It's actually pretty good. You know, I would buy a Google cereal. Google's getting into the cereal game. What can I say? Alright, guys. So that was pretty nice, actually. That was that was really nice. But look at the color. It's staining the bowl. I don't even know how I can... like on camera it might look just brown, but it's kind of purple. You see that? Let's see if I can slosh it up this way. So you can kind of see the milk there. It kind of looks brown on camera, I think, but it's actually a real purple hue. Obviously we've got the blue and the red, and that gave us purple. There's a bit of green and yellow in there, obviously, but if you've made it to the end of this video, you are very unproductive. Share it with a friend who you think also may be unproductive, just like you. You've been watching a Google cereal unboxing, and it's been pretty great. So thank you. I will see you procrastinating beautiful people in my next video. Make sure you've subscribed. It's important. There may be more cereal unboxings on this channel very soon. Subscribe.